One of the things we teach our guys to create a raving experience for our customers with Big Lake Moving is when we first get to a home, after we do our greeting, we do a first round of a walkthrough. And on that walkthrough, one of the things that we do is we ask the customer, hey, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, are there any pieces of furniture that are super special, like you would put an asterisk beside? We're going to take care of everything. We're going to pad, wrap, and protect everything. But are there any really special ones? And we have them point, one or two items out. And then what we do during the move is we specifically wrap those like perfect. And we showcase the work. We say, hey, Mrs. Jones, come here. Look at your beautiful armoire. Look at how nicely protected this is. And what it does is it shows that we listened, we heard, we went above and beyond. That is how you elevate the experience, is because you do the little things really, really well. So if you're trying to find ways to get more of a crazy great experience in your moves, think about on that first walkthrough, teaching your guys to ask for one or two special items, above and beyond items, and then showcase the protection job on that before you load it.